Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you are watching my channel Tot Tech. So friends, today in this video we're gonna resolve this issue of Windows update error. Comes with an error code 0xc19001e1. So for this you just need, first of all you have to go on this startup menu. On the search program bar you just need to type cmd. Now you have to run the command prompt as an administrator. For that you have to right click on this, then afterward you have to click on run as an administrator. Now you have to click on yes to give access. Now the interference of command prompt has been opened. You just need to type few commands over here which were like this: net stop WUAUSERV. Then you just need to press enter. Now you can see that Windows update service is stopping. Now you have to stop net stop CRYPTSVC, then press enter. Now you have to type net stop bits, then press enter. Background intelligent transfer service is stopping. Now you just need to type REN space C colon / Windows / software distribution space software distribution dot old. Now you have to type, press enter. Now you have to type REN space C colon / Windows / System32 / catroot2 space catroot 2.old. Now you have to press enter. Now you have to again start all the services. First of all, net start WUAUSERV, then press enter. Now you have to type net start bits space enter. Now you have to start net start CRYPTSVC, then press enter. Now you have to exit. You have to type exit, then press enter. Now you just need to restart your PC and see that your problem has been resolved or not. If your problem still resists, then you have to go on the my computer. On the my computer you just have to click on local disk C. On Windows folder you have to click on Windows folder. Now you have to find out software distribution folder over here. Now you can see that software distribution folder is here. Just need to delete this. You just have to delete the software distribution folder by clicking on yes. The action could not be completed because the folder or file is open in another program. Now you can see you just need to close all the functions. First of all, if it was open somewhere, now I will try it again. Windows, again I will find out software distribution. Now delete this. close the program. See, I was having a problem. I will start the task manager. In the task manager on the services, I will find out if this service has been opened somewhere. Software. Now try it, delete it again. See, the file has been deleted, the software distribution. You just have to delete the software distribution.old file by this method. So now again you have to restart your PC and see that your problem has been resolved or not. Hence, if this video helped you out, but then please give a like button to this video and even do subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. If you still resist the problem, you can leave your comment on the comment section. I will definitely help you out within 10 to 24 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.